Meet your new delivery app, streamlined, faster, and more reliable than ever. In the next few minutes, we'll walk you through several major updates designed to simplify every aspect of your delivery workflow. First, we've given the app a complete visual overhaul. Enjoy a clean, modern interface that loads instantly and adapts to your workflow. Manifest navigation is now smoother than ever. Complete a stop and jump directly to the next one or easily backtrack to the manifest. The enhanced master stop view packs in critical details at a glance, and you can drill down into order specifics without leaving the screen. And introducing Deliver All. Finalize every order in one swipe, no scanning needed. Next, routing just got smarter. Need to rearrange today's stops on the fly? Simply drag and drop to reorder. And if a new stop is added mid-shift, an in-app notification makes sure you're always in the loop. When plans change, tap Re-Optimize to automatically adjust your route. Delivery indicators now display unique icons on your manifest view for hanging order, wash and fold, pick up and folded, allowing you to instantly recognize and prioritize each stop type at a glance. Scanning and loading have never been this powerful. Android users will notice dramatically improved scanning speed and accuracy. Quickly search any order or customer in your manifest or load list. Plus, a dedicated unpaid orders list in Load Van gives you instant visibility into pending payments. Stay on top of late or unpaid orders with our new Not Paid warnings, which explain exactly why payment is pending. Capture a delivery photo at each stop. Store it in your history and automatically share it with the customer. Add stop-specific notes that won't clutter the customer's order comments, so your team can see the context without extra noise. Reply instantly to customer messages in the in-app messaging center. All these features are backed by a robust offline engine. Enjoy faster load times, seamless syncing when you reconnect, and rock-solid reliability even in low-signal areas. Ready to experience the next level of delivery efficiency? Update your app today and unlock all these powerful new features.